Hello friends, welcome to the 365 days DSA in Java. Today is the day 9. In today's video, I will discuss about Disarium number. When we call a number is called Disarium number. They are given a number n. We need to check whether it is a Disarium number or not. Disarium number is the sum of its digits raised to the power respective positions is equal to the number itself. Consider an example. Here the input is 89. Here they are given input as 89. We just need to calculate sum. Sum as 8 power 1 plus 9 power 2. Why 9 power 2? Here the number of digits. In 89 there is only 2 digits are present, 8 and 9. That's why the count of digits is 2. That's why the power is starts with 1, and for each digit the power is incremented by 1. And the second example, 81. The number of digits are 8 and 1. Number of digits are 2. So the power is starts with 1. 8 power 1 plus 1 power 2. Here the sum is 8 power 1 is 8 plus 9 power 2 is 81, and the result is 89. So the sum and a given number both are same. If both are same, we return true. If given number and sum of the squares, means sum of the powers of respective digits power is equal to the given number, then return true. If number of digits are 3, for example, they are not given this example, but if number of digits are 3, here 123, the number of digits are 3. So 1 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 27 plus 2 power 2 is 4 and 1 power 1 is 1. So the total count is 32. 32 is equals to 123? No. So not equal. So false. Here we just do two things. First thing, count digits. Step 1 is count digits. How many digits are present? Count digits. And second thing is add the sum of all the digits and increase the power by 1 for every digit. Okay. In one of the video I already uploaded in my Java playlist how to count the number of digits present in a number. So first I will take temporary variable for storing n value. I will take temporary variable and I will not touch this n value. I will change this. I will take this temporary variable every time, and I will do count n greater than temp. If temp greater than 0, then count plus plus, and temp equals to temp divided by 10. This while loop is for counting number of digits present in given number. Then after that again, after this while loop stops execution, the temp variable the temp has value 0. That's why again I am assigning n to the temp, and I am taking sum. Now temp greater than 0, and I am storing remainder. Temp divided by 10, and sum equals to sum plus for power. In Java, for doing power operation, we do this syntax math.pow. Math library contains power method. We pass the base value as a remainder and the power as count. And after this step, I will decrease the count to 1 and temp equals to temp divided by 10. Okay, and at last I will compare both n equals to sum or not. Okay, I will do tracing. First, n value equals to 89. So now temp contains 81. Sorry, 89. 89. Temp contains 89. So first see count equals to 0. Then temp greater than s. 89 is greater than 0. So then I have to execute these two statements present in the while loop. So count is 0. I am adding 1 to the count. So 0 plus 1, 1. Now count contains. So now count equals to 1. And if I divide 89 with 10, I will get coefficient as 8 and remainder as 9. Okay. Now 8 greater than 0. Again while loop. After these two statements completes execution, again go to the while loop condition. 8 greater than 0, s. Then again these two statements will execute. Again increment the count. C equals to 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So finally my C value contains 2. My C value is 2. Count is. Next, if I divide 8 with 10, then coefficient is 0. So 0 greater than 0 is false. The while loop stops execution and temp becomes 0. So that's why I'm again assigning n value to the temp. So again now temp equals to now 89 is greater than 0. So then this 4 statement will execute. This is the while body. Okay. If I divide 89 with 10, the remainder r equals to 9. And the sum. Initially the sum equals to 0. So 0 plus r, remainder is the 9, and count value is 2. 9 power 2. So s contains now 81. Then I am decreasing count to 1 and means 2 minus 1. C equals to 2 minus 1, 1. So finally C value is 1. And temp divides 10. If I divide 89 with 10, then I will get coefficient as 8. Now again 8 greater than 0. 8 greater than 0. S. Then while loop body starts execution. The 4 lines will execute. Again the remainder. If I divide 8 with 10, the remainder is 8. R equals to 8. Then sum. Previously the sum is 81. 81 plus 8 power and count value is 1. So count value is 1. 81 plus 8, 89. And count is 0 now. 1 minus 1, count equals to now 0. All digits are added. And temp. If I divide 8 with 10, 8 divided by 10, then I will get coefficient as 0. So 0 greater than 0, no. So this while loop stops execution, and now I am checking whether the given number and sum both are equal or not. So the given number is 89 and my sum stored value is 89. Both are true. So it will return true. Okay. If both are not equal, then it will return false. So I am submitting. Okay. Test cases are completed. Okay. Thanks friends for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe. And if you want one-to-one mentorship in Java, reach out me through registration link. The registration link is present in bio. Thank you.